Introducing the latest sensation in District 21.
Welcome to The Sand, a new chapter of luxury living set amidst the tranquil surroundings of Jalan Jurong Kechil
And the Souza Avenue.
Accessibility is effortless. Beauty World MRT on the downtown line, just a few minutes away, linking you swiftly to the CBD, Orchard, and the rest of Singapore.
Whether it's a morning coffee, a weekend brunch, you are surrounded by amenities. Bukit Timah Shopping Centre, Beauty World Centre, and vibrant food enclave are all within easy reach.
Expected to launch in the third quarter of 2025, the Zen is more than a home. It's a celebration of nature, accessibility, and inspired design.
Whether you are starting a family, upgrading your lifestyle, or looking for a next prize investment, the Sen delivers unmatched potential in District 21.
crafted by nature, inspired by beauty.
The latest sensation in District 21.